Hello everyone, wishing you a joyful day and continued success with your flower garden. In today's video, I'll share a fairly simple method of propagating roses using familiar ingredients readily available at home. Now, let's follow each step in detail. First, we need to prepare a healthy rose cutting, free from pests and diseases, with good vitality and a moderate age. Trim the rose stem to about 20 centimeters. Then remove all leaves and thorns from the stem. Removing leaves reduces transpiration, limiting dehydration during the rooting stage. Simultaneously, removing thorns makes handling easier and reduces the risk of fungal diseases. Next, take a fresh clove of garlic, peel it, and cut it in half. Garlic contains many natural sulfur compounds and active ingredients with antibacterial and antifungal properties. Treating with garlic helps limit the invasion of harmful microorganisms into the damaged plant tissues, thereby reducing the risk of root rot during the cutting process. Use the cut surface of the garlic clove to gently rub all the cut areas on the rose stem. After rubbing with garlic, let the stem dry naturally for a few minutes to allow the active ingredients time to adhere to the plant tissue surface. The next step is to prepare a chicken egg. Wash the eggshell thoroughly before use to minimize external bacteria. Separate the egg whites and yolks into 2 different cups. In this method, we use the egg yolks. Egg yolks contain many proteins, amino acids, vitamins, and organic nutrients beneficial for plant tissue development. Add about 150 milliliters of clean water to the cup containing the yolks and stir well to create a homogeneous mixture. Then, soak the rose cuttings in this mixture for about 15 minutes. The soaking process helps the surface of the cuttings absorb some of the nutrients, while also creating favorable conditions for the formation of callus tissue and new roots. While waiting for the cuttings to soak, we prepare the nutrient solution for the next stage. Take 2 more cloves of garlic, peel them, and chop them finely along with the first clove. Put all of this garlic into a clean plastic cup. Garlic not only helps protect the cuttings from pathogens, but also contributes to a cleaner environment for the young roots later. Next, prepare a can of Coca-Cola and pour about 300 milliliters into the cup containing the garlic. Coca-Cola contains sugar and some organic compounds. These can provide a temporary energy source for beneficial microorganisms in the rooting medium. Next, add a vitamin B1 tablet to the cup containing the garlic and Coca-Cola mixture. Vitamin B1 has long been used by many gardeners as a nutrient to help plants recover after pruning, repotting, or rooting. B1 enhances metabolism, supports cell activity, and promotes the formation of new roots in the early stages. Stir until the tablet is completely dissolved. Once the mixture is completely dissolved, pour the entire solution into a small, clean glass jar. The glass jar allows for easy observation of the root changes throughout the rooting process and also keeps the solution more stable. Next, prepare a clean piece of foam. Cut the floral foam to fit snugly around the mouth of the glass jar. The foam will hold the rose stem in place, ensuring the base remains in the solution without tilting or shifting. After soaking the rose stem in the egg yolk solution for the required time, remove it from the jar. Insert the stem through the center of the foam. Then, place the foam over the mouth of the glass jar, ensuring the base of the stem is fully submerged in the garlic, Coca-Cola, and vitamin B1 solution. Once finished, place the jar in a cool, well-lit area, avoiding direct sunlight. Also, avoid windy areas as this can cause the stem to dry out quickly. Stable temperature and suitable humidity will help the rose stem maintain its vitality and create favorable conditions for root development. After about 10 days of care, if environmental conditions are suitable, you can observe new shoots beginning to appear. These shoots are usually a vibrant green, with thick stems and fairly uniform growth. This indicates that the cuttings are still viable and entering a new growth phase. In addition, many healthy white roots will appear around the base of the cutting. These young roots are an important foundation for the plant to absorb water and nutrients when transferred to a new growing environment. Once the root system is sufficiently developed, you can transplant the plant to a larger part with a loose, porous substrate such as clean river sand, treated coconut fibre, or well-draining, organic-rich soil mixture. In the first few weeks after transplanting, maintain moderate humidity and avoid excessive sunlight to allow the plant time to adapt. Once the root system is established, the plant will grow faster, continuously producing healthy new shoots and gradually forming a lush green canopy. Hopefully, the method of propagating roses using a combination of garlic, egg yolk, vitamin B1, and Coca-Cola that I just shared will give you another interesting idea for caring for and propagating roses at home. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video. I wish you success in your propagation, many healthy rose cuttings with strong roots, and soon you will have a garden full of vibrant flowers. See you in the next videos.